Hello guys, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment and share. And I want to also use this medium to thank my old subscribers. I love you guys. Thanks for your time. And today I'm going to show you how I make my video editing with a Power Director. I love Power Director, though it's not easy to use, but you got to learn it. The more you use it, the more you notice some things about how to use it. So now I have downloaded the Power Director. As you can see, here is the Power Director. You touch it, you will see where they write new project. This icon with video plus, you see it here. You touch the icon, then you will see the size of the video, 16.9, 9.16, 1.1. So the best size is 16.9. You touch it, then it will take you to the editing area. So now first of all, before you do anything, you have to download some background in case you want to use a Chrome key. Understand? So here you see download. These are the ones I have downloaded from the app, as you can see. So you download it through there. If you want to download it, it's here. This is stock video. If you touch it, you will see many of it. You enter Pixel Boy. Then you see it. Anyone you need. If you want to download it, you touch like this one. If you want to know the kind of background you are downloading, you first of all play it to play. Understand? So for now, I don't have time to do everything like that, so I will have to go back. After you play it, you will know if you need it. Then if you need it, you can see the crowd close to the play bus. Here you touch it, you see it, so it will be downloading. As you can see, we have green light that is approaching, green light that is approaching through the background that you are downloading. So after downloading it, I will show you. Let me just show you everything about how you can add it. Because if you download it, you will touch it to write plus. Once you touch the plus, it will come out to this place where you will download, where you can use it. So now it's downloaded, almost finished. Let's wait a little so you can see. So it takes time depending on the seconds or hour or minutes that the background video takes. Now it is finished downloading. You touch it again, you see it finish. Now you touch plus. Understand? So as you touch plus, the video will come out here. The background short video will come out here. You touch it, you play, you see the thing is displaying. Understand? So now if you want to add your own video and make it your own background, you go back, you touch here. So you got to set your eyes on the screen so you will understand. Okay, now you will touch this place. Let me be using this biro. This place, let me check, let me put color so you will understand. You touch this place, then if you want to add your own video, then you see it here, the video icon, you touch it. Understand? So the ones you have with your own, you snap with your own phone, or the ones you video with your own phone, you will see it on camera. Understand? So you find it here on camera. Understand? Depending on where you left the video, either you edit it with your phone, or before you start using this photo editor. This is the one we have used for the video from my phone editing. That is this one. So the old videos that I've made with my phone editing, I will touch it, then they will show. Understand? But for now, here I have it on camera. You touch your camera, you will see everything. So now this is the one I made for myself. Understand? This video, I apply a background with, I just want to make a Google Chrome. If, as you can see, this is not a material. Understand? If you want the background at my back, it's not a material, it's a nylon. What do you call this? Nylon or tapu, anything grain. You can use your, you can buy a material, plain material, green color, black. Don't use black because your hair is black. So if in case you want to delete the background, it will not delete your hair. And make sure any background you are using for the back of your video, make sure that you will not use the same cloth, the same color of the Chrome key. What I mean by Chrome key, this my background here, this line on, yeah, that's what I mean. Any material you're going to put at your back, so because those material is going to be deleted, so it can take you to a background. So now I want to delete the background. I will touch this place here. You see it? See? Chrome key. So you got to touch it, and it will bring your background out, or your picture or your video out. Then you will touch here, the middle, that knife. This knife you are seeing here, you will touch it. As you touch it, now the knife appear at the face of the video. As you can see it here, see the knife here. So now what you will do now is you will touch the background. You see? You understand? Just touch it. You will touch the background. It has been deleted. You understand? So you touch play. The play key is here. The play key is here. Touch the play key. You can see the play key here. Okay. Then you play it.
Hello guys, I'm back again.
Understand? So you can adjust the video so that this half space here, if you have any half space, maybe the background is not full covered, maybe you have a little space like this place. You see there is white color here, and on top here there is a black screenshot on top here. So you will zoom it, you will zoom the video so that it will not show. And if you want to zoom it, you will touch here, this circle here, to drag it in a full video. So you drag it, it will cover up. As you can see, the black screen is no longer there. So you touch your play.
I am back with another beat. Understand me? So just listen to this one, tell me what you feel. Understand? It's very cool. I don't need to tell you, just watch it. You understand me? So that you don't watch it from my speech. I love you guys, and don't forget to subscribe. Hello guys, I'm back.
YouTube, welcome, and like, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Subscribe. Then we still have it here. These are the things you need to download from the app. So you will see it here. you'll find it, download everything I need. So I have it here. This is what I mean. You see it? So I will touch the plus. Don't forget, I tell you, anything you want to add, you touch plus. So if you want to drag it to the ending or you want to push it, you hold, touch the point, the thing you want to push, the video you want to push, then you hold it until it show yellow surrounding line. Then you can drag it to where you want to keep it. So like now, I will leave it here so that it will match. Like, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, all this kind of stuff. So if you want to edit, if you leave it like this now, it will not work.
Hello guys, I'm back again. Like, I am back with another.
So what you will do now, you will touch it, you tap that same thing, it will show options. As you can see from the bottom here, see the options. Understand? And this is the option we need now to clear it, to delete the green background on the YouTube subscribe and the others. So you will touch the Chrome key, then don't forget you have to touch the middle of this knife, this bracket here. Touch it and the knife will show in this face here. Only what you will do, you only delete one color, you understand, and that is this green. Understand? The moment I touch it, it will show you everything. So it have deleted the green. If you can watch here, you see where the arrow, the shifting is now. It's in the green space, so which means the green things, the green color has been deleted. You touch the play here. Okay.
Understand me? So just listen.
You can still drag it.
Listen to this one, tell me what you
If
feel.
you want to drag
Understand?
it, you don't want it to be at your face, you touch it. You can, if you want to still rotate it, you will still use that same place. Understand? You still use this circle. Understand? Like you want to turn your camera. I love this editor. Well, so now I want to shift it, and the only way I can do it is like this. You can hold the middle of the video of the bracket, this bracket. So you hold it and you touch your play.
I'm back again. Like, I am back with another.
But I still need it to shift down. Understand? If you want to make it larger, you can drag it from here. Understand? So to make it large.
Understand me? So just listen to this one, tell me what you feel. Understand?
Like
I am back with another.
you understand? If you want to remove the sound so that it will be silent, you will see it here, the speaker. Don't forget, before you remove it, you must touch from the same box that brought out this subscribe to my YouTube channel. If I touch the other one like this now, my own, you can't do it on your video like this. If you touch your own video, it will delete what you are saying. So you have to touch that same box that brought out the subscribe button. Understand? And you go to the volume, you see the speaker here. You see the speaker. So understand? And as you can see, I have green let me go and put up. I have green line that is bracketing the green, this green, to show that yes, I'm editing this same one. So you will touch the volume. Understand? So the volume, you see it. You see mute. Understand? That is this mute. So you will touch the mute. If you tap it, it will be showing green, which means it has been muted. Understand?
She's fine.
So you touch it again.
She's fine.
you play it.
She's fine.
Understand me? So just listen to this.
So let's see.
I'm back again. Like I am back with another beat. Understand me? So just listen to this one. Tell me what you feel. Understand?
The best sound
It's
of
very
the
cool.
understand. So that is it. So
Amen.
you can do more if you want to add something. As you can see now, here I don't have anything again that is covering the back my background. So if I want to add more background, like the same background that I've used, or if I want to add another background, no need of you to be going back and select
Amen.
another background from here.
Amen.
Understand? No need to go there again.
Amen.
Sorry, you need to go back.
Amen. Amen. What, Mama? Amen. Thank you, sir. Lena, what?
So sorry, I went off before. So no need for you to
Thank
go
you, sir.
back. You touch the same background. As you can see, I touched the one at the top because that is what we are going to fix so that the background can come back. Immediately you touch it, you'll find sorry, you'll find something here, this place. You understand? Let me show you where I touch. You touch this icon here. Understand? So if you touch it, it will add another background to it. Understand? Make sure before you add it, you must shift the video. Like, let me delete the first one first. Let me delete this one first. You must make sure that this divide line, this one, so match on top of the one you want to add, and you tap it. You understand? So it will stay like this. Then you touch the duplicate. You touch the duplicate. You see it here. You understand? So you tap it. You add another one. You see? So I still have more.
And you what?
Understand?
Hello,
So
sir.
the one I add is finished now. If I want to add another thing, I'll find a short video to complete it. Then I'll go here.
No.
I'll go here to add more.
Yes, sir.
Understand? So
Yeah, it's
I'll touch
message,
it.
not call. Because before ended, I thought it was network.
So now I need more.
And you
I'll
what
touch
now?
video icon. I'll touch download. So if I want to add something now, let me say
Alright, sir. Thank you
anything
very
at
much.
all. Let me say if I want to touch this, I add this one. It can go down, it can go up,
Yes,
but
sir.
if you want
Thank
it to
you.
go up, you can drag it up. So
Okay, sir. Mom,
you hold it and drag it
good night.
up. So it's not moving, but same thing. You can still stay here. Understand? You can also make it short. Understand? See the way I do it? If you tap it, you hold the edge here, you drag it. Understand? So see, if I do it like this now, sorry, if I do it like this now, the video will cover my face. So I need to push it to on top, to the top, to stay with the other one. I don't know why this thing is not moving. If it stays here, it's not good. It's going to cover. Normally, the background is supposed to be on top of your video. Because if your video is still on top, which means it will cover your face. So this one's supposed to go up here. I don't know why it's not going. Let me find another thing. Let me just add it again. Understand? So I have to shorten it from here, but it will not take long. Understand? So
And give me a huge thumbs up after watching. Understand? So that is it. So I love you guys.
See it? So if you tap after doing it, as you can see, if I still want to add, please subscribe. I will still go back to, you see where I touch this same place, this same icon. Understand? You touch there, then you go to video again. You see your download. You can touch download. Download. Then you go to subscribe. Any type of subscribe you need. We have one at the top here. We have one here, like, thumbs down, share, comment. Understand? Okay. Anyone you need, you can still touch this one, add it. Understand? So you can edit it too. You touch the Google Chrome key. You touch the middle of the knife. You see, it can only delete the green color. Understand? But if you shift this one, it will show you which one do you want to delete. You understand? So for now, you cannot delete. I'm not sure you can delete white. So you only delete the other color. Understand? So you play it.
Forget to tell me what you feel on the comment
The other
section
side, the
and
other
give me a
green
huge
then you touch it. You can leave it here. Understand? So
thumbs up after watching. Understand?
don't forget.
So,
I
love you
told
guys.
before, if you want to delete, if you want to remove the volume of the bed, you see
Comment
videos
section and
volume
give
here.
me a
Always
huge
put
thumbs
icon
up after watching.
icon.
Understand?
Understand? So now it will not
Forget to
make
tell
any
me what
noise
you
again.
feel
Only your
on
video
the
will be
comment
making noise.
section and give me a huge thumbs up after watching. Understand? So that is it.
That is how to edit your video. Understand? So that is it. Or anything you still want me, maybe you don't forget, don't mind me, manage my English. I'm not perfect. So what you don't know more, you can still write me below. I can still show you how to do it very well. What you don't understand, I can still redo the video so you understand me. Then the last one, to save it, you see the arrow here close to the setting key, this arrow, then that is where you touch the icon. It will take you to this place, save to gallery or SD card here. Understand? Then you touch save to gallery or share on YouTube. If you want to share on YouTube, though I've not tried that, I don't know if it will show the app. Then you touch the save to gallery or icon or SD card. Now you see Ultra HD. That is because the video you edited will be full in the screen, in the tele screen or whatever. So, or full HD or HD 7 point, you understand? But the Ultra is the best, understand? So that it will come out with a perfect color. So you leave it in, depending on the phone, or I don't know, depending on the phone, and maybe you see it Ultra, understand? So now to save it, now you will touch this produce, understand? You touch produce, you see the video is saving, understand? So you will wait a little bit until the video has been saved. We will show you what you will do next. You say okay, the project has been completed. That is the next thing we will show now. Let's just wait. Let's watch and see. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and share to others so that they can still use it and make their own video. Download it on Play Store. It's called Power Director. Don't use the new one. I like this one. There's new update, but this one is the best. This old update is the best. So the video is complete now. So the project is complete. You put the date I made it. So now I will touch, instead of you to touch open, just touch OK. It has been saved. Understand? So that is how it is. Even if you come back to the same place, you will still see the video. If you don't like the one you did before, you want to continue from where you stop, you can still do it. I can add my picture to this, maybe the side of the video. Like, let me just show you what I mean. I can add my, if I want to add my picture, you see the picture here, the picture icon. So I will touch it. I'll just pick any of my picture, like, let me say, I'll take this, let me select a little picture to show there. Let me say I can touch this picture here, understand? Then I'll drag it to this place, understand?
Time I upload, you will be
If I still
notified.
want to
You know that yes, this guy
use Chrome key,
I upload, you will be notified.
maybe I want to use Chrome key, I'll touch the, you see it here, don't forget Chrome key, Chrome, yeah, called Chrome key. So you use it. If I want to use it to remove the, maybe the cotton and the material at the back of the background, so I will touch it. Yes, let me see if the color, I have the color here. Then I will do it like this, touch and do it like this. As you can see, it remove a little. Let me redo it again. Okay, see, so it remove
Time I
it.
upload, you will be notified. You will know.
So that is it. You
Time I
can still
upload,
save
you will be
it
notified.
with the
You will know.
same icon you see here. Understand? You can still save it like that. But for now, I just show you in case you want to add, you have something to add to it. So this is how you can do it. So that is it. Now I want to go out from it, or you want to change to another background, you can add a picture. If you want to add another background, like, you can delete this one. You see the delete. As I tap it, you want to delete one, you touch it, you tap here, understand? If you tap it, it will show this green line. Then you see delete here. It will not delete your video, it will only delete the background there, understand? Then you see it, it deleted the background. So now I will add something, maybe like picture. Let me add one picture there. I'll touch the same picture. Then the picture I want to add is wallpaper. Yes, as you can see it here. I told you, don't forget, you find the picture you need by how you get the picture, either by screenshot, image, or Facebook, or you see it, so, or download, or college, or Facebook, or image. You see it here. So now I'm going to use this one here, wallpaper. I'll tap it, I'll put plus. Sorry, I made a mistake there. This one I'm going to delete it. Sorry, before you do it, tap here so that it will show that you want to add at the top. So yeah, I'm going to do it again. Wallpaper. Still doing the same thing before. I can shift it like this. I don't know why it's misbehaving. So maybe it's just a picture, that is the reason why. So you can still try it. It work. I've used it very well. I know it work. So let me just add the one I've had before. So it will not take much time for you. You will not get so that it will not look somehow hard to you. Understand? Just add it like this. Use the one you have been using before. It will go back now.
So I love you guys.
So So you can still save it by touching there, but now no need for that. The one I've saved before is there, so you can go back. Maybe next time, if you want to delete all the things you have done, you will just be deleting in here. You just go back. Next time you will still see the one you have done here, see it here. But if you want to create a new one, you say, now if you want to delete it, you delete it like this. Okay, take you back to the normal new product, a new project. If you need new project, if you want to make new project, you touch it. Understand? Don't forget, make sure you use this. Understand? Because the other one, this one is just like you are standing your phone straight and making video. If you put it to your YouTube, when they are watching it on YouTube or like telly, it will not be full. It looks somehow. Even this. So if you want to do anything big size, full screen, use 16.9. That is the best. Understand? And if you still want to learn how to know more about it, or maybe you don't understand, you still want to know, still want to learn more from the instruction, you can go here. You see it on YouTube. If you touch it, it will show you how you can create it. You see people that have used it, what is possible for you to do with it here. Understand? So this is the Grumpy. You can watch this one. You understand? You know how to add and how to do it. So that is it, guys. Don't forget, if you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share to your friends. Understand? I love you guys. And what you don't understand more, what you don't understand, you will still let me know. I will teach you more. Understand? That is it. So try it. It's very, very good. Power Director I love it very well. I love the app. It's very, very nice. So thank you guys. See you another time. Bye.